Jordan with DirectLiquidation.com. So I'm sitting here on top of a sea of unmanifested Amazon truckloads. It's so crazy. We have 30 or 40 loads ready to go, ready to be sold right now. This is exactly what everyone has been asking for. How can I buy raw Amazon loads straight from the return center? Well, you found it here. So we're gonna dive right into this Amazon pallet. This is a black wrap Amazon pallet. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna show you possibly what you can find in one of these loads. We're gonna open this thing up. You can see all of these have never been touched. These are straight and as pure as they come. We're gonna dive right in there, open this up, and we're gonna show you exactly what you can be getting if you buy these Amazon loads. Perfect, got it open. So we've got some large items in here. Looks like big household items. I see some Star Trek items in here. We have a instant pot, like a crock pot. It looks like we have a half-full toilet seat cover. Definitely some bigger items in the slot. Let's see what we have here. This would have helped me open up the box if I would have stood on these stools. That would have helped me. I wouldn't have to be sitting up here. It would have made it a lot easier for me. Let's try them out. Let's see if they work, you know? Let's try these out. Let's see if they work, and I'll be able to help you guys out. What can you expect? Star Trek box is damaged, but it's not too bad. Otherwise, okay. Amazon Basics. This is for full or queen size. We got a comforter set that's in here. Got a couple other large boxes. We got a Beyblade game. Looks like we have a metal detector here in this box. Yeah. No, this is a rolling walker, a metal detector. We've got a rolling walker in here. I think this box is going to be a little bit too big for me to get out, but we've got a rolling walker in here. So a lot of large items, they look like they're in really good shape. Let's pull this thing out. It's buried in there. We've got an Instant Pot. Looks in pretty good shape. Just the box looks a little damaged. Maybe it's got damaged in shipping. Put that back. Let's see what's in one of these smaller boxes. All right, so this box here looks like some outdoor furniture in this box. So definitely large items in this load. A lot of these black wrap loads have a lot of large boxes. Looks pretty good. Let's check out some Gaylords. Let's look at what we have in some of these Amazon Gaylords. I mean, this one here, again, 6 foot tall. This looks to be some large or Amazon bulk. But the first thing I see is this limited edition Stormtrooper shadow suit. Now, I know these things retail for like 900 bucks. So, I mean, that's $1,000 right there already in retail value in the pallet. Another, you've got a Lamborghini Rc Car. This is a official licensed RC products licensed by Lamborghini. So that's a good find as well. I mean, especially during the holidays, birthdays for kids, adults. Hey, I'd like this. We've got some other home goods. We've got some fragile items. This is definitely a real bulky load. I see some ramps here. Looks like a motorcycle ramp to get in the back of a pickup truck. So there's definitely some big items in here, but these are high value items. I mean, those motorcycle ramps are at least $199. So I'm already seeing, you know, at least $1,500 in retail value in this pallet. And the stuff is in good condition. I mean, the box is a little beat up, but everything's in here, you know, and the same with the Lamborghini Rc Car. Hey, so we're looking at these tall Gaylords, and it looks like these are the Amazon Smalls you've been asking about. I mean, there are some larger items. In this box, I found these Adidas. New, tag still on them. But there's other small holiday items. There's other small home items as well. I mean, there's some Lucky Brand stuff in here. In this pallet here, we have more shoes. They're all in the box. They look pretty good, but I mean, in this box alone, there's at least 50 to 100 pair of shoes. There's more name brand shoes as well. Seem to be spread out a lot through these loads. I mean, look at these. These are pretty good. These would be a nice gift. These would sell really good in a discount store. I see shoes going all the way down. So I'm gonna take you on a quick tour all the way down these. And this is just one load right here. This is the 6-foot tall Gaylords. And I'll show you just over the top, you know, what you can expect in these raw and manifested Amazon loads.